It has been recorded.
Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Feel my fury. Feel my fury.
Come on, triangle, triangle, triangle.
Oh! I got crap in my leg.
I got a crap in my leg. Let's see.
The fans want it. The fans want it.
Liberty shape, liberty shape, liberty shape.
The fans are calling for it. Give the fans what they want. Give the fans what they want.
Glitch shame.
Glitch. We want a glitch.
They want the glitch.
Glitch.
Oh fuck. Oh! It's coming!
Oh my god, he counted
You
it.
defeated the glitch.
Oh.
Not for long.
Oh
my god!
Damn.
Oh, please.
So this is the second video. Okay, there has one.
Here we
It's
go.
actually the second video.
Here we go!
Rematch right now.
Dude, you know everyone beat their shit except for Ivory.
I beat him 5 times. Is this guy fucking stupid or what? Alright, bitch, let me play with my actual character.
Yeah, let's get it on.
You better record this next one. Alright?
Alright, go.